Welcome to our channel. Today we how to uninstall Insomnia API client on macOS. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To uninstall the Insomnia API client on macOS, begin by closing the application if it's currently running. Next, open the Finder application on your macOS. In the Finder, navigate to the Applications folder. Locate the Insomnia application in the Applications folder. Once you find Insomnia, click and drag it to the trash bin located in your dock. Alternatively, you can right-click on the Insomnia application and select Move to Trash from the context menu. After moving Insomnia to the trash, open the trash folder. To fully delete the application, click on Empty Trash found in the trash window or right-click on the trash icon and select Empty Trash. To remove any remaining application data, open the Finder again. Click on Go in the top menu bar. Then select Go to Folder from the drop-down list. In the dialog box that appears, type /library application support/ and press Enter. Look for the Insomnia folder within the application support directory. If you find it, right-click on the folder and select Move to Trash. Next, return to the Go to Folder option in the Finder. This time, type /library preferences/ and press Enter. Search for any files related to Insomnia. If there are files associated with Insomnia, right-click and move them to the trash as well. Lastly, remember to empty the trash again to complete the uninstallation process. You have now successfully uninstalled Insomnia API client from your macOS. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.